This is a brand new 2013 Nissan Juke. Its top features include a navigation system, a rear-view camera, keyless ignition, a sunroof, a premium audio system, XM satellite radio, a turbocharger, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning, a pass-through rear seat, cruise control, a passenger side vanity mirror, front multi-stage airbags, child seat safety anchors, rear seat child-proof door locks, active front headrests, full power accessories, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. We hope you found this video informative. Please contact us today.